Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the error of your fingerprint not responding on your lock screen. So if you're having an issue whereby your fingerprint is not working on your lock screen and you've added your fingerprint on the fingerprint settings, I'm going to be showing you how to fix this on your device. So firstly, head over to your settings application. Then when you go to your settings application, scroll up to you see lock screen. Then on lock screen, you click on screen lock and biometrics. Then you input your password or your PIN. So once you input it, you click on fingerprint. And when you click on fingerprint, you see that fingerprint unlock is turned off. So you just have to turn it on and it's going to start working. But if it doesn't work with this option being turned on, that means you have to take your phone to maybe an engineer to check it for you, or you take it to official Samsung engineers to check it for you. So that's just how I can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.